Hello everybody, I'm Aiden. Today we're going to make a railroad. Now this is what I'm here for. You can actually get this from the description. This is what it is. And this, if you copy this, you would get to 15 max. And this too, if you want to. Just go into the railroad crossing. I already did this. Hold on. Okay, so today I have to do like this. You know what? Just yet. I don't even want to talk yet. Damn, I should use this. Hold on. Okay. Okay. Actually, I want to make it more realistic. Okay. Dang it. Oh, this way. Dang it. Before I do something real quick, I'm just going to test it out. Okay. This is not exactly the same thing that I did to mine, but I will make the difference. Or maybe. And I think, wait a minute. I said I'm not gonna talk, so no thank you. Make sure you hide your subs. Make sure you block it. Like, make sure you cover it. When you finish this, you can do. Oh my god, you can do exactly the same things. When your pistons doesn't go up. Sorry, mommy. Just ignore her voice. She doesn't like it. Make sure you don't go this in the water, because if you do, you know, the redstone is just gonna be popped up. Oh great, just one more. You have to cover the holes. Okay, when you finish that, you can finally test it. If it's wrong, then you have to deal with it. I deal with it. Before we test it out, just look at mine. I did exactly the same thing. Oh, not these ones, because I'm too lazy. You can add these if you want to, or decorate it different. Oh, if you see that happen to this one, then you probably have to deal with it. I don't know what to do next. Now you just have to put the cart in there. Wait, it's just too slow. Yeah, I'm talking right now. Oh, there's two of these, and one of these are actually these same things, but the middle. Okay, that one is like first, and these two are second. So, I will see you guys later, and make sure you like and subscribe to me. What do I mean, like? Okay, so, bye-bye.